Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Themes. When you find it, click on it. Then select Recommended at the bottom left corner and click on Themes at the top, or choose Categories and select Themes as well. You can even tap on the search bar at the top and type in wherever you wish to. When you're done, click on the best theme for you. Choose Download at the bottom. And last but not least, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access Devices Settings, select Lock Screen and Wallpaper, and then click on Theme section at the top right corner. Lastly, click on one of the default ones and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!